everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use loose glitter, like a medium mix, and we're using this beautiful one that's got red and silver in it. It is absolutely stunning. Look at that. Oh my god, it's just incredible. So yeah, also just ignore this hand here that's green. I'm not going mouldy. I've just been doing a lot of filming today. I've got lots of products all over me. That is a bit of chrome. Anyway, so yeah, we're going to be using that first. Absolutely love it. So any excuse to use it, especially this time of year. So first things first, we're going to apply our base colours to be able to do this design with. So I'm going to be using Cranberry Flame, which is this shade of red. It's got a slight shimmer in it. It's beautiful. And then I'm going to be using just a flat white, and then also a silver gel paint as well, just for a little detail. So I'm going to do the full glitter nails first, just because I'm going to make a lot of mess. So I'll do those, tidy it all up, and then I can get on with the stuff that's not going to be as messy. So yeah, let's get into it. So first of all, for the nails that are going to be full cover glitter, well, first I'm going to do the base colour basically on every single nail that I'm going to need. But for the full glitter ones, I'm going to be doing a silver base, just so if there is any slight areas of the nail where there isn't any glitter, it won't look strange because it will just look shiny and glittery underneath anyway, so it's not an issue. So first things first, I'm just doing my red nails, and I need just one red, I think. Yeah, just one red nail. So we'll pop that into the lamp. Can move that to the side a sec, and then the next nails I need to do are white. So I'm just getting my white out. I'm using the one from the Gel Box UK. Move my lamp out of the way so they don't cure while I'm doing them. And I need two white nails and then two silver nails, because I'm doing two full coverage glitter, two nails with a glitter fade, one red with a glitter fade, and then one white with a glitter fade. And then the final nail will be the one that we're going to be doing our Christmas bauble on, and that is going to be on a white background as well. So one of the white ones are for that. So I'm just popping them in the lamp as I go along. Two white, no, three white. No, two white, two red, oh my god, I'm just going to stop talking at this point. Two white, two glitter, one red. That's what we need. Curing them all for full cures. In fact, they all get like loads of curing when I do it like this, because they're all just in the lamp this whole time, just getting cured after cured after cured. But I'm going to go in with this Snow Angel Silver, because it's really, really silver. And that's what we want for the background of the glitter nail. It's the best way to use chunky glitters. Chunky or like medium mix when you're using gel and stuff is just have a very similar colour underneath, and then it won't matter if there's any gaps because you'll have that colour underneath anyway, so you won't really be able to tell that there's a gap. So it all just blends in together. I can't wait to use this glitter. Absolutely beautiful. If you can't use it at this time of year, when can you? I'll tell you what it's called in just a sec, but I'm pretty sure it's called Inspire. Let's have a look. Oh no, it's not. Inspire is a different one, but it's similar. But this one's called Queen. And it's from Sparkle Supplies. Oh gosh, it is from Sparkle Supplies UK. So to use it, I'll do all the second coats for everything off camera because it's easier. But to use it easier, I'm going to mix it on this palette. And I'm going to mix it with base coat. So first things first, I'm just going to put a dollop of the clear gel. I'm doing obviously a couple of glitter nails, so I'm going to put quite a bit of clear. And then I'm going to put in some of the silver that I've just used. Here it is. Not enough on there for it to fall off naturally. So the longest winded fall of glitter ever. So that's that. I'm not sure you can even see it really from where the light is, but there we go. I'll just move the light just for a second while I do this. And then I'm going to get a mixer. I'm going to get some of the glitter and pop it in. Not bothered about it being like full coverage when I apply it, because I am going to get that. I am going to add some glitter to the mix, like when it's on the nail, so I'm not too bothered about it being full. It just makes it so much easier to apply when you mix it with gel, instead of just throwing a load of glitter on it and it getting everywhere. It's super messy. I found like this is a messy way to do it, but it's like the least messy way to do it, if that makes any sense. So I'm just added a bit more as I go along, because you'll know when you've put too much glitter in, because it won't, like, it'll just get really thick and stodgy, and then you'll know you've put too much. But then you'll also know when there's not enough, because there'll be like 3 specks of glitter. So you'll get used to the ratio as you do it more and more. But now I've done that, I'm just going to get my colours out. I'm going to do a second coat on all those nails, and then I'll come back and do the first step of the designs with you. So also another perk to doing it this way as well, like with the gel, is that you get a much smoother application. You don't have to like buff and everything and get it all smooth like that. It's so easy to get a smooth oh my gosh, didn't need that much. So much easier to get a smooth application when it's within gel. So I'm going to pop that there, because I'm going to might need some extra pieces. I'm going to use a brush that I dedicate to literally just glitter, because I don't have to worry about ruining it, because that's all it's used for anyway. Let's clean it off, because I last used blue, and this blue is impossible to get out of it. So yeah, let's go in with, what have we got? We've got a red nail, so we're going to do a glitter fade first. Just, I can get my light back now, can't I? I'm going to do a glitter fade first, just because this is the first nail that's ready out of the lamp. So I'm just going to pop my glitter at where the cuticle area of obviously an actual nail would be, and I'm just popping quite a lot on, because I want the fade to be quite far down the nail, not too far. And then while that's still bulky at that area, I'm now picking up some extra glitter pieces and popping that on top of that gel, patting it in so it's nice and covered by gel. And then I'm going to get a ombre brush, make sure it's nice and clean. And I'm going to use that to drag the glitter down the nail, like so. I actually find glitter fades easiest to do with these types of glitters, like the mixed size ones. The ones with medium and fine glitter in are definitely the easiest to fade. But I'm literally just pulling it down, and it sort of just does the work for you, to be honest. There's not really a lot that you need to do. Might be a couple of specks here and there that you want to move around, but other than that, it's pretty easy. It's very cute, very sparkly. So that's that nail literally done. That's how easy it is. And because we've done it with gel, you can see from the sides it's super neat. And if it wasn't, and you did have any bits sticking up, just pat them down with your brush before you pop it in the lamp. So we're going to do the same thing again, but we're doing it on white this time. So we're going to do a fade on white. So let's just go out to focus for a start. Again, I'm going to pop it at the cuticle area, like so. Making sure there's enough there where you're going to have enough still on the nail when you've pulled it down. And then I'm also going to, again, get a few extra pieces of glitter, sorry, not gel. Pop them on the top. Still keep working it in so that gel does end up with that extra glitter you've just added. And then again, just use my ombre brush to pull that down the nail. This looks even better on the white because both colours really stand out. Making sure it's like heavily glittery at the top of the nail where the cuticle area is. And then getting more sparse as you move down the nail. Like so. And then when I'm happy where all of the pieces are, which I am, I can pop that in the lamp. And again, both of those nails are done now. That's how easy they are. Then for this one, this is going to be a full cover glitter nail. So I'm going to pick up quite a lot of product now this time, obviously, with the glitter. Definitely going to have to make some more, but that's fine. And I'm just going to spread that around the whole nail. You don't want to apply it too thick. I have at the moment, but that's because I'm manoeuvring it around the nail. If there's any excess, I will take it off the nail. Obviously, this is quite a large nail, to be fair, because it's a false one. But I'm just applying it so it's just easy to move around. And then I can look from the side to make sure it's all nice and neat. If there is anywhere where you'd like a bit more glitter, you can do what we did with the fade nails. Go into your loose glitter and just pack it on. And just keep patting and patting. You can check from all angles to make sure it's nice and smooth, so you can just get away with top coating instead of having to encapsulate. Like so. So if you just keep moving it around, make sure there isn't any bits sticking up. If there is, just pat them down. And then once you're happy with the amount of glitter, that is absolutely stunning, you can pop it on. So I'm going to do that on the other nail as well, off camera, just so it's quicker. This is what I mean about using a glitter underneath that's similar, is that you don't have to worry about it covering every single part of the nail. It's too sparkly for my camera, but yeah. Okay, last nail is this one, and this is the one we're going to be doing the bauble on with the glitter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a circle. I'm doing it smaller than I want it to start with, just to get the shape there, and I'll build on it. I just want to create a circle with the glitter that I'm going to be using as the base for underneath the bauble and the glitter, and then I'm just going to push it outwards to make it a bit bigger. I might even want it bigger than that, you know. Just do it huge, why not? The bigger the better, because the bigger it is, the more glitter we can fit in it. That's my motto, so I'm going with that. Okay, and I'm just going to make sure that all the gel is nice and thinly applied so it cures properly. Getting my shaping right, because if I do that now I don't have to worry about doing it with the glitter, because it's going to be a lot easier to do it with gel polish glitter than it is with actual glitter. You might notice it's looking a little milky. That's literally just because the inhibition layer of the white is mixing with my silver, but it's not a problem because obviously we're covering it up, so it's a non-issue. So when I get that nice and even, I'm quite happy with how that's turned out. So once I am happy with the shape of it and stuff, I'm going to pop it straight into the lamp. In fact, no, I'm not. I'm just going to go straight in with my glitter now, I think, on top of it as it is. So I'm just pressing the glitter. You could cure that initial layer and then do it afterwards, but I just think what's the point in doing so many layers? I'm just going to pop it straight on. Get the excess off my brush because I've got way too much on there for it to hold anymore. I want it nice and neat. And nicely packed with glitter, that's the main thing. I want it really sparkly. And then when you feel like you've got enough on there, and everywhere is covered, just want one more speck here. That piece really doesn't want to get off my brush. I'm just going to pick up another one instead. Make life easier. There we go. Right, so I'm just going to take a step back for a sec and just really look at it. Make sure I'm happy. Very, very sparkly. That's what we want. And I'm going to pop that into the lamp for a full cure. In fact, I'm only going to pop it in for a 30-second cure, like just a quick like flash cure sort of situation, because I want to do my bow. I'm going to do that with a silver. Do I want it with silver or red? I don't know if I should do the bow silver or red now, actually, because the bauble itself is very silver, isn't it? So I think I'm going to do it in red, you know. I'm just going to clear off this palette so I can use it for my red. I'm just going to make a bit of space on it. I am using red, like the red polish that I use, so it's not going to be great because it's not really that thick. I might mix it with a little bit of a thicker polish. In fact, no, I'm just going to use it as it is. If I need to do another layer, it's all good. So I'm just going to get a striper brush. And we're going straight in with that, with my red on there. I'm just going to mix it up just to make sure that it's as pigmented as I can get it. And then we're just going to go straight down the centre, start with. Straight up. And then we're going to do a little bow. So I'm just going to do quite a big bow, I think. Quite thick. Like so. To be honest, I'm being lazy by doing it thick, but the only reason I'm doing it thick is so I don't have to do so many layers of this colour. If I do it really fine, I don't think you're really going to see it much. So if we do it thick, it's easier for me to get the polish to be better coverage, I think. I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. I don't think I could have done this any more messy if I tried, to be honest. That's what you get for drinking coffee on a day you want to do some hand painted nail art. And then I'm just going to take that down the sides like so. I actually think that's quite cute. Yeah, we'll go with that. That can go in the lamp. So that's this set done. I just need to top coat it all. So I'm going to top coat it all off camera and I'll be able to show you at the end what it looks like. I am literally just top coating, like nothing fancy for the loose glitter or anything. Like I said, we've ensured that it's all nice and smoothly applied, with application being with the gel. So I don't need to bother prepping that for top coat or anything by making that nice and, what's it called, smooth, because it already is. So I'm literally just going to top coat normally as you would off camera and I'll show you what they look like all together. So here is the final look. They are so sparkly, honestly beautiful. I'm going to try and get a nice shot of the glitter. Look at it, it's just beautiful. Let's get it to focus further up. I absolutely love working with loose glitters in this way, just because you really do get a really nice smooth application because of the gel. Obviously it just evens it out, but look how stunning they are. It looks beautiful on the red and the silver, on the white and red as well. But yeah, let me know whether this is a set that you would wear, whether it's a bit too much sparkle for you. But in my opinion, you can never have too much sparkle. It's just beautiful. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back soon with another one. Bye.